This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Looking for the right home? Look no more. The home offers new flooring, 2021, new hot water, 2023, new light fixtures, 2021, new sliding door, 2022, new washer and dryer, 2022, new backyard with privacy fence 2022, fresh paint, 2021, updated kitchen and bathroom faucets, 2021, and stainless steel appliances. The HOA/POA includes 3 pools, ample playgrounds, tennis courts, basketball courts, and clubhouses. Located near the beach, interstate, shopping, military bases, and more. Don't let this one pass you by. Schedule your showing today, April 15, 2024 for more information.